friends around the world, and welcome again to my channel. For new people, I'm Assia West and I'm presenting Moroccan Arabic, what it's called Darija. So today subject is gonna be about weather, okay? So don't forget to watch the video until the end to understand all the things that we're gonna do today, from the phrases, verbs, and all the vocabulary, okay? And also don't forget to subscribe for new people to keep updated if I post any new videos. So let's start. So the first thing we're gonna set is the weather. What is the weather? Is الجو. الجو. Your turn. Excellent. Yes, الجو. Amazing. Okay, so bad weather. جو خايب. الجو خايب. الجو خايب. Your turn. No, الجو خايب. Again. Yes, perfect. الجو خايب. A good weather. جو زوين. جو زوين. Perfect. Your turn. Yes, excellent. You're amazing. Okay, let's move on. So if we want to say like cloudy today, مغيم. الجو مغيم. الجو مغيم. Your turn. Yes, perfect. Okay, cold. Okay, بارد. بارد. Okay, بارد means cold. Your turn. Yes, easy words. Okay, so raining today is raining. اليوم كتصب شتا. اليوم كتصب شتا or كطيح شتا. So كطيح, it's like falling, the verb falling, but we can say either like كطيح or كتصب. So the both verbs is correct. Okay, شتا is the rain. Okay, the phrase again we can choose شتا كتصب. Okay, or كتصب شتا. We can do the verb first. كتصب شتا. Okay, your turn. Yes, كتصب شتا. Perfect. Yes, correct. Okay, so this is okay, another one is a sunny weather. Okay, sunny day. Okay, يوم مشمس or there is sun. كاينة شمس. كاينة شمس. كاينة شمس. Your turn. Yes. Excellent. Amazing. Okay, so now we kind of done with the vocabulary. Let's move on to see phrases, okay? So the phrases, how is the weather today? كي داير الجو اليوم. كي داير الجو اليوم. Your turn. Oh no. Again. كي داير الجو اليوم. Yes. Perfect. Excellent. كي داير الجو اليوم. So if I want to answer, today is a good weather or a bad weather. Today is a good weather, for example. اليوم. Yes, correct. اليوم الجو زوين. اليوم الجو زوين. Your turn. Perfect, amazing. Now I'm gonna having a simulation. We're gonna have a simulation, sorry. So, كي داير الجو اليوم. Your turn. There is a good weather, yeah? اليوم الجو زوين. Amazing, excellent. Okay, if I want to say bad weather, I'm gonna say اليوم الجو خايب. اليوم الجو خايب.